Hey guys, so in today's video I wanted to show you how to connect your autoresponder to Thrive Architect. So this will work whatever your autoresponder service is. This is the same process. I'll take you through it step by step. I'll create a landing page and then I'll show you how it all connects up. Just before we start, my name is Richard Darby. This is the School of Nomads. Go ahead and hit that subscribe and notification bell. I'll keep you up to date with all my latest videos. And if you do find this useful, please go ahead and leave me a like, and any questions, leave them in the comments below. So let's jump straight in. This is my WordPress dashboard, so I'm in the back end. I've already got Thrive Architect. If you're not familiar with what Thrive Architect is, it's a page builder. I use it in all of my different websites, and for my landing pages, it's a really good page builder, to be honest. So what it is, you go ahead and sign up for Thrive Architect. I'll leave a link below, and once you do that, you can download a plugin, which you then just upload into WordPress. So it's super easy to use. I'm sure many of you already got this. So first thing you need to do to set up the integrations, you need to go to the Thrive Dashboard. So we'll go to Thrive Dashboard first, and then you come down here and you'll see API connections. So the first thing you need to do is you need to connect the Thrive Dashboard to whatever service it is that you want to actually use as your email delivery. So if I come down here and manage connections, I've already got get response here, and that's the example I'm going to be using. But if you wanted to add a new connection, all you need to do is come over here, and then there's a whole list of different email autoresponder companies that you can go ahead and pick. Now most of them will be in here, and there's other services also like Facebook, Google and Twitter you can connect. So this works with whatever service you want to connect. But if you needed a new integration, you can go ahead and connect and request a new integration there, and then it'll actually go to their support staff and they can go ahead and do that for you. But if I just go to my get response example here and I press edit, what you will see here is you'll see a blank API key and a blank API URL. Now that's the information that I need to get from get response. Okay, so if I go over to get response, I'll show you on get response where this would be. For your own email provider, all you'd need to do is either, if it's not intuitive like it's in a drop down menu like it is on get response, you just need to contact their support and they'll give you this information. So you need an API key and an API URL. I'm going to come over to get response and show you where it is on get response. If you come up to this menu, you'll see integrations and API. Just come into the integrations and API. You want APIs, and then if you generate an API key, it will give you the API key here. Okay, so that's the information that you would go ahead and use. So I go and generate one. You can just go ahead and do this as a demo and generate. Then this demo API key is the one I would go ahead and use. Okay, I'll come over and I would paste this in here. So for the API URL, that's automatically generated in my case for get response, as long as you use version 3. So a quick tip there is make sure you're using version 3. That's the one that actually works with this. And then you would press connect and then that would work. So I go ahead and connect. There you go, you get the get response connection ready. Go back to the dashboard. Now every one of these has got a slightly different way of connecting. So for instance, if you go to Aweber and connect, it'll ask you to actually log into your Aweber account, and then it'll allow access, and then it'll automatically connect. So there's two ways of doing it. Obviously you can either, depending on the autoresponder service, they'll either connect automatically, or you just go in and you find that API connection and the API URL and then just type the information in there. So that's loaded up in the Thrive dashboard itself. All I need to do now is come and just set up a page, and I'll show you how it actually works on the landing page. So if I just set up a demo page here, launch Thrive Architect. So that's now launched. If I want to come over and pick a template, as you know, if you've used this before, this is super easy. Come over and just pick a landing page so I can demonstrate this. I just want to find something with an email on it. Okay, so I found this one. This has just got an opt-in email on it. And here you go. Here's the main page itself. This is where you would get somebody to enter their email address for additional information. So all you need to do is click on that box, come over to the left hand side here, and you'll see connections API and send leads to, they want you to add a connection. So I've already set up get response in this. So when I do the drop down here, I'll have the get response service already connected up. So you just hit that. That would be a get response. If you haven't got anything set up, you can go back to the API dashboard here, and that'll take you back to where we were just setting the various APIs up. And then you just come down here and set up your mailing list. And whatever mailing list you have, you come down and you just select that mailing list and press apply. And then anybody then who comes along here, once we go down and save this, obviously, go back to the post editor. So now anybody that comes along and puts their email in here would end up being added to your list. And it's as simple as that. That works for anything, any of these opt-in pages that Thrive Architect have got. Just set up your API in that dashboard, the Thrive dashboard. Once you set it up there, then it'll come and it'll be one of your drop downs in that box on the left hand side. So thanks for watching. I hope you can see how super easy that was. Once you get those API details from your Autoresponder service, you just plug them in, and then any landing page you want to create, you can do that in just a few minutes, and it's super easy to connect. So if you found this useful, please go ahead and give me a like, and any questions, leave them below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and the notification bell to keep up to date with all our latest videos. Until next time, take care.